CapCut just got a massive upgrade. Seedance 2.0, one of the most powerful AI video models out there, is now built right in. And with a little help of Claude, this is what's possible. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional product ad like this, how to turn boring listing photos into cinematic real estate video, and how to pull off a transformation like this. All inside of CapCut. Plus, at the end, I'll show you a bonus tip that will completely change the way you use Claude. So before we jump into CapCut, we need to do one quick thing inside Claude that will make a huge difference in the quality of your Seedance videos. If you don't have Claude yet, you're missing out. But no worries. You can find it on the web, log in for free and start using it right away. And just so you know, all three examples I showed you were made with the free version of Claude. There is also a desktop app if you prefer that. So the first thing we're going to do is install what's called a Seedance Skill. What is Seedance Skill exactly? Think of it as a translator. Seedance 2.0 understands a cinematic language, but you and I don't actually speak in camera moves and lightning directions. This skill takes a simple scene description and converts it into precise instructions for camera movement, lighting, and motion that Seedance actually understands. And the difference in the output quality is massive. So let's upload it. Click on Customize, then Skills, then the plus icon, hit Create Skill and upload the Seedance Skill file. You'll find the download link in the description below. And that's it. Claude is now ready to write professional Seedance prompts for us. So let's jump into our first example, a ski boot product ad. I actually have a brand new pair of ski boots at home and I thought, why not test it for real? Here's the picture I took. First we are going to head into CapCut, AI Media, AI Image, click the plus icon and upload your photo of the ski boot. Now in the prompt field, type extract the product from the man's hand and create standalone product photography. For the model, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro, currently one of the best tools for image generation. Leave everything as is and hit generate. And this is what we get, a clean standalone product shot, no background, no hands, just the boot. But we are not stopping here. This is where Claude comes in. I asked Claude to write me a prompt for 3 professional product shots. And this is the exact prompt it gave me, word for word. I took that prompt, went back into CapCut and generated 3 more shots. And look at what we got. 3 product shots, dark, dramatic, commercial quality. Now we have everything we need to create the actual video ad. Let's go back to Claude and drop in our 3 product shots. I gave it this exact task. Using the ski boot from the reference image, create a Seedance prompt for a 15-second high-energy product ad, 2-3 seconds per shot, constant camera movement, no static holds. Cycle through dramatic close-ups, low angles, overhead orbits, and micro details of the buckles and sole. And on a clean hero reveal, dark, high-contrast aesthetic, think premium motorsport energy, no people, boot only. And this is where the Seedance skill does its magic. Claude isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's reading our skill file and think like a film director. Once we get the prompt, we copy it and head back into CapCut. Go to AI Video, select the top Seedance model, upload our boot images, pass the prompt, set resolution to 1080, duration 15 seconds, aspect ratio 16:9, and hit generate. Now this one will cost us 555 credits, so it's worth making sure your product is solid before you generate. That's exactly where we use Claude first. And now we wait for a few moments. I have to say, this is genuinely mind-blowing, because usually on the first try I need to tweak things, regenerate, adjust the prompt. But with this one, I don't need to change a single thing. Okay, now let's move into a next impressive transformation. The idea is simple, a black Lamborghini parked in a parking lot, camera slowly pushing in, and then it transforms, Transformer style, into a black panther that steps forward and roars. So let's go to Claude. Import the pictures of the Lambo and a panther and type this in. Notice that I'm not describing camera angles, I'm not writing cinematic directions, I'm not thinking about lighting setups, I'm just telling Claude what I want to see. The Seedance Skills would handle everything else. When we get the prompt, copy it again and head into CapCut, AI video, image to video, and then again import 2 images of a car and a panther. Drop in the prompt, choose upper Seedance model, 1080, 10 seconds, 16:9 and generate. Now, as you may have noticed, the first result wasn't quite as I wanted. The background completely changed at the end. And here's why. When you're on image to video with 2 pictures, Seedance always treats the first image as a starting frame and the second as the ending frame. So it was forcing the background to shift. The fix? I switched to text to video, no reference images, just prompt, and once I made that change, I got this. I mean, pretty cool. Okay, and now for something completely different, because this one is super practical for anyone who does real estate, Airbnb, or any kind of location marketing. The idea here is simple. I have 2 photos of a villa from Madeira here, which I find them on Airbnb regular listing photos. And we're going to turn them into a cinematic video that actually makes people want to book. So I grabbed my 2 Airbnb photos of the villa and dropped them into Claude. And I typed something like this. No technical language, no camera directions, just a natural description of what I want. And the Seedance Skill does the rest. We copy the prompt, go into CapCut, AI video, image to video, drop these 2 images, choose Seedance 2.0 model, 1080, we'll go for 10 seconds video, ratio 16:9, and then drop the prompt from Claude. When you're all set, hit generate and wait for the process to end. Let me show you what we got from the first try. It is great, but as you see, we forgot to erase the logo from the photos and it keeps it in the video. So I just removed the logo in the Photoshop and repeat the same process. 2 boring listing photos become a cinematic property video. This is the kind of content that used to cost hundreds of dollars to produce. Now it takes about 2 minutes. And now for the bonus tip I promised at the beginning. This one requires the paid version of Claude, but trust me, it is worth it. Because motion graphics like this normally takes hours to create, or you would have to hire someone to do it for you. Inside Claude, go to claude.ai/design. Click Other, give your project a name, hit Create, and then type in your prompt. Design an interactive, dark theme graphic globe rotating with the world continents, colored neon green, showing airplane flight path colored neon blue from Los Angeles to Madrid. Hit Send and let it do its thing. Look at this, an interactive 3D globe, neon green continents, animated flight path from LA to Madrid. And you can play with these sliders, continents opacity, arc opacity, and dot size. Completely customizable, right inside Claude. The down part, there is no direct download option here. You can download it as a zip file, PDF and others. So I just screen recorded it, took it into CapCut and dropped it to the timeline. Here's a small but important detail. The flight path was animating in the wrong direction, from Madrid to LA, so I simply reversed the clip. 1 click and problem solved. 2 minutes, no designer, no After Effects. So that's it. CapCut, Claude, Seedance 2.0 in one workflow. Honestly, I didn't expect the result to be this good, especially on the first try. The Seedance Skill file is in the description, just upload it to Claude and you're ready to go. If you find this useful, drop a like and subscribe. There's a lot more coming. See you in the next one.